Hello everyone. I'm Raj, and today I came up with my another project, which is Zomato Chronicles. So first of all, let me tell you about my project. What is the motto of my project? What is the functionality of my project? For whom, which is my project is important. So as the name is given to my project, Zomato Chronicles. So this project is built for the staff of Zomato Chronicles. Now, which is very useful for the staff which is working inside the Zomato Chronicles, and it's useful in the sense that if the customer is coming to the Zomato Chronicles and he has to process everything. Suppose there are many customers are coming to the Zomato Chronicles and wants to buy the items, buy the food. So how this process will be easy for the staff which is working at the Zomato Chronicles. So this process, which I try to build by the using the Django backend for the Django. So I created this same project with the help of Node.js. Previously I work in the Node.js for the backend, but for some days I'm trying to work on the Django, using Django for the backend. I'm mostly familiar with the Node.js, but I tried to use Django for my backend. So the functionality can do the so the staff can do the functionalities like adding the menu to the backend side, getting taking the orders from the customers as well, and updating the availability of the products to see the how many products are available without going to or asking to anyone. He can see each and every update to the application. So that is about my application. So let's see that how is it working, and we will see along with our code. So now this is the application. Let me first activate my virtual environment, because that is the important point over here. Okay. This no this will be the path for that. And for activating that, I'm using the PowerShell, for the command for that will be this. And yeah, so my virtual environment is activated now. And why? Because the virtual environment, I'm activating the virtual environment because which is containing all the modules. And suppose if any moment I want to import any modules for my Django application, so I will include those modules inside this virtual environment. If I don't do this, those modules will be installed in my operating system. So to avoid that thing, we use virtual. Okay, so now the second point is to run my application. For running my application, we use, this is the command for that, python manage.py and run server. This is a command for that. So let's run my application, and let's see that is it running or not, So yes, this is running, and this is running. Now let's see that on the command. So yes, it's showing that welcome to the Django, greetings from the app. And up to that, let's see each and every route, how is it running. Okay, we will see all our routes on the routes on the subject line. So after that, we will see that our port is running at 8,000, and after that, let's see that our URLs for that. This is not the stuff. Yeah, so this is our main application, and these are all the URLs or the routes or the path, you can say, which are running. First of all, let's see the basic router. This will be Git. You're welcome to the Django application. Now, if I want to see the menu, let's see, this will be the Git. So these are the things which are present inside my uh, database. And let me tell you about the database as well. As a database, I use data.json file, and for taking the orders, I use order.json file. So this is the files which I'm using for storing the data. Okay, now the next URL which I want to do is add the dish to my backend. Add the dish, and the dish which I want to add, similar to this as well. it will be similar to this only. So I will keep the ID as 3. Let's keep the dish name as kachori, and let's keep the price as 40 rupees. And availability for now, let's keep it false. And this method will be post. Okay. Now it is saying that the data created successfully. Okay, and okay, fine. And let's see inside this. Is it available? Yes, it is available. Now let's add another dish name. Let's keep it this dish name as now this is jalebi. Let's not make jalebi. Let's keep it another. It's dokla. This dokla. And after that, let's keep the price as 50 rupees. And this is true. Okay, let's availability. Let's make it true and send this. So these are the products which are available. This is true. This is true. This is false. This is products which we sell, but this is not available right now. Okay. Uh, Now after that, we another thing which you can do is let's see the menu. This will be the gate route. See, these are the menus which are present inside the backend. And the another this is let's we can do one thing. We can delete the dish as well. We can delete the dish as well. We can update the availability as well. So let's see that how we can update the availability now. As now for this product, this for this food for kachori, I want to make the availability as true. How can we do this? Let's update for that. I will need a ID for that. So ID is 3, and the thing which is put. Yes. No, 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 no. We can provide the ID over here, and the availability. Let's make it true. No need to provide here. Order not found. Okay. So we are running the uh, incorrect route. So this will be the route for that. So yes, availability for dish of dish 3 updated successfully. Now let's see that all the products are available, right? Now let's book the application. Let's uh, delete the dish. We can delete the dish as well. Let's just provide the ID for that, and method will be delete dish 3 deleted successfully. You can see here as well dish 3 is not available. Now another uh, route which is place the order. Let's place the order. For that we need is for placing the order, we have made the function for that. We are taking the IDs of the multiple. We can take the multiple IDs which we want to place the order, and we can take the customer name. Okay, so let's keep ID as inside this. So let's keep this, and for that the customer name. Okay, customer name. Let's keep it Raj. Dish ID is 3, and I want to, this will be the post. Okay, no available dishes found with this. So because this ID which is not found inside the database, so that's why it's showing that no valid dishes found. Now we have ID with 4 and 2. Let's keep it 4 now. Let's give the correct ID now. Now this is saying that order placed successfully. Now after placing the order, that should be removed from my database, from my menu database, right? So that is the thing which is, you can see that this is that data, particular data is removed. Now you can see that the thing which I wanted to I place the order with this is this, you can see over which is present over here, and with the unique ID, with the customer name, and with the status is received, and the dishes is dhokla. Now I want to, the same customer again came to the staff and asked him that I want to uh, dahi vada. I want dahi vada. So like keep it the ID 2 and the customer name is Raj only and post it. Now let's see. You can see that the two orders we have with the same customer, but the different ID. So I bill will be two, right? So that's a different point. But we receive two orders right now. Now, now what staff can do is another thing, which is uh, he can update the order status. So after delivering the order, no, after delivering the order, he can remove that particular data should be removed from the order database, right? So let's see that function. Update the order status, right? And is taking order ID and status. Okay, update the order status. Now I want now that the thing will be taking order ID and status which you want to give it to it. Okay, so status will be if the status which is delivered and the ID for that. This is a product which I want to which is delivered. You can say or delivered. So this route will be update put. This is not put, right? This will be I think yes, that is the put only, but still it's saying that not correct. Delete the order, delete the yes, right. I took a wrong method, wrong route for that. So status of the order, this is the ID for that and updated successfully. Now you can see that the product, the food which is not available over here because we delivered that product. And after delivering that product, we want to remove that particular product from our orders. So that is the thing. Now, suppose if I want to delete that particular order, so we can do that as well. We can do that as well. And so these are the things which I completed with the help of Django. So this whole project which is made with the help of Django for the backend and all the routes are running well. And I will be working on this project further as well. And now I want to do this. I want to do this, implement this all the stuff on the front end side. So I will be working on this. So thank you for listening this video and yeah, thank you.